That's what I needed to do. Right there is content. Yes, let's
Something
send
smells.
it.
You
It
can
don't
smell
matter.
it.
It don't matter. Let's send it.
What's your name real quick? And what else in here, man?
My name is PJ, Smooth Roster.
Okay.
I follow you on Instagram.
Okay.
I got 2 Big Brute 18s on 15K teraamps, 80 amp hour Ying Longs, and 40 bank of caps also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Have you metered it yet?
No, I just got this in a couple weeks ago. They're brand new.
Yep.
Yeah, and I got 2 8-inch Orions.
Nice.
The 6.5.
Did you do that?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Awesome. Nice
It's
work.
a painter's tape. I left it exposed. That way you can go ahead and see that you can.
Yeah. Solid.
Yeah.
All right.
He has 18 4-inches, scar 4 inches.
Wow. Got a question for you. What
Yeah.
made you do bottom port?
Because what I had in here before was a 6th order.
Okay.
And it was the guy gave me the wrong dimensions though, so it was wrong.
Yep.
So we had to go ahead and just keep the shell.
Okay.
And do what we could to go ahead and utilize it.
Okay.
So got
All right. Yeah.
everything's in the best, but check it out.
Ooh.
I brought them to you. Hey, he's still good.
Well, why are you out here showing out for the celebrity?
Oh, he's still good.
I brought him to you.
What is it wired to?
Half home.
Half home?
Yeah, he's still good. That's all that matters. Yeah, carbon fiber wrap.
Nice. I like that.
Appreciate
Wow.
it. Yeah, I actually talked to you a few times.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Smooth roster. You
Yes,
put
sir.
my card on your page before.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Appreciate that. That was a good one.
Hey, nice to meet you, man. Thanks for the demo. Whew. I'd love to hear it, man. Did you ever meter it?
No.
Nope.
Well, before I had 50 on the Team 18.
Okay, got
That's
it.
what I had here. I had Team 18.
Oh, yeah. All right.
5, 6 damage charges.
Ruckus and chill.
Dude, something.
Yes, it don't matter. That's what I needed to do. Right there is content. Yes, let's
Something
send
smells.
it.
You
It
can
don't
smell
matter.
it.
It don't matter. Let's send it.
Holy
you gotta
smokes.
Send it. Turn it back on. Turn it back on. See what happens.
Woo. Got you.
Half hull.
Half hull?
Yeah, we still good. That's all that matters. Yeah, carbon fiber wrap.
Nice. I like that.
Appreciate it. Yeah, actually talk.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.